Alright, so this is how to build a battery cable for the system. You take 36 inches of the 2-pair cable, strip back about 1.5 inches, and you're going to use 2 whites and a black. They're normally labeled. You can see it'll say like 1, 2, and 1 and 2. So you'll have a 1 white, 1 black, 2 white, 2 black. So you strip it back 1.5 inches, crimp on the Deutsch pins, and insert it. Pin 1 or wire 1 goes into pin A. White 1 pin A, white 2 pin C, and then black 1 pin B. Insert them all in. Then you're going to put on 2 inches of 1/2 inch heat shrink, 2 inches of the 1.5 inch heat shrink, and then you'll heat shrink this down. And then before you do the other side, put on 2 inches of the 1/2 inch clear heat shrink. Your other pieces of heat shrink, strip the wire back, remove the foil, cut the drain, then find your wires. So that's black 1. Sometimes you can't see the labeling, so what you do is, what you can do is then take continuity and just make sure your pins match and your connectors. Once that's done, heat shrink everything down. About midway, put a HoistCam sticker on the cable and then clear heat shrink over it. And that's how you build a battery cable.